Guys, would you buy this house if someone paid for your solar?
Welcome back to another episode of Mama Me Home Adventures. We are here today in Elk Grove checking out a new community called Arbor Ranch by New Home Go.
This community is offering $7,500 in closing prices.
And they'll pay for your solar for 25 years.
Let's go! Welcome home! This home is offering 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a flex place. Look at the floors! This is bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. It's a mini suite. And you have a bathroom. This is the laundry room. This is the half bath. Welcome to the living room. Come with me to tour the kitchen. As you see, you have a fridge, a countertop, a stove, and when you come over here, you have the big pantry. This sink is so big, I love it, and it's easy to clean. This is the master. I like the light. And this is the master bathroom.
Well, that is all for today's tour. Thank
Yep.
you so much for touring with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you're thinking of buying or selling in Northern California, call my mom 916-513-1053. Bye-bye.